Making an appointment should be fluent, not a hassle. If you are tired of the old school way where you have to juggle your phone calls, texts, and chats just to secure an appointment and there's still no solid confirmation inside, it's time for a change. What if you could do that fluently in seconds? Let us introduce you to a faster, easier, and more advanced booking system, FluentBooking, a plugin that will deliver the seamless experience you have always dreamed of while booking an appointment. FluentBooking offers you the easiest way to set up a dynamic appointment scheduling system for your business. Set it up and start right away. With an effortless start, it allows you to create a meeting from anywhere, anytime. Sounds easy, right? Whether it's a one-on-one appointment or a group meeting, you are the one in charge. All you need is to create a meeting and then set the criteria. And the incredibility is yet to start. Taking appointments from all over the world or working remotely with multinational staff, time zones can never be an issue for your meeting. Whether you are in Canada or Cambodia, simply select your own time zone and people from any part of the world can view it in their own time zone. Facing a situation that makes you unavailable for a short period of time? No problemo. Date overrides can take care of this at once. Just pick the time when you are available on specific days and done. Okay, I can certainly enjoy my trip to Miami now. Have a busy schedule? Simply set scheduling conditions to win it over. Just like a pro, but booking a meeting isn't enough. You have to start a meeting on time. Don't worry, FluentBooking has got your back. From booking confirmations to booking cancellations, a notification will be sent via email and SMS. And the reminder before the meeting makes it impossible to miss any meeting. Because your meeting, FluentBooking is concerned. You can even easily customize these email notifications depending on your needs. In addition to that, the pre-built shortcodes make this a breezy hike. We are not done yet. Want to sell appointments? Connect FluentBooking with Stripe and now you can sell personalized services effortlessly. When you are all set, just copy your booking link and share it with the people wherever you want. It's as simple as that. The awesomeness does not end here. Thanks to the Google Meet and Zoom integration. Whenever you book a meeting on Google Meet, it will automatically sync with your Google Calendar readily within your reach. Speaking about reach, let's talk about the most handy part of FluentBooking. You can view all your meeting details in one place without having to switch between multiple apps, tabs, or browsers. Need any information? It's right there. So far, so good. And if you're already using one of our Fluent products, then gear it up for an extra treat. If you have Fluent Forms and want your user to book a meeting via form with some more information, simply embed the brand new booking field to your form. Want to send marketing emails after booking or get a 360 overview of your customer's booking history? You got it integrated with Fluent CRM. So many things, yet so simple to manage. Think about the simplicity, functionality, and fluency. You will always be at the top with FluentBooking. So grab it now and embrace the age of FluentBooking inside WordPress.